Welcome to your beginner's guide to blood sugar management with Gluco Fence. This revolutionary device is designed to aid you in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels by providing accurate, at-home testing. Whether you're living with diabetes or simply wish to monitor your blood sugar levels, this guide will walk you through the basics of getting started with Gluco Fence. Before we dive into the functionalities of Gluco Fence, let's understand why blood sugar management is crucial. Keeping your blood sugar levels in check can prevent complications related to diabetes, aid in weight management, and promote overall health. By empowering yourself with knowledge and tools like Gluco Fence, you can take charge of your health. On purchasing the Gluco Fence, you will receive a compact package that includes the blood glucose meter, test strips, lancets, and a lancing device. The user-friendly design and easy-to-follow instructions will make the initial setup a breeze, even if you're new to blood sugar testing devices. Using Gluco Fence is simple. First, insert a test strip into the device. Prick your finger with the provided lancet and apply a small droplet of blood onto the test strip. Within seconds, the Gluco Fence will display your blood sugar level on its large and clear screen. It's important to understand what your blood sugar readings mean. For a non-diabetic person, a normal blood sugar level will range between 70 and 140 milligrams per deciliter. For individuals with diabetes, the range will differ based on factors like age, overall health, and how long you've had diabetes. Remember to consult with your healthcare professional for personalized advice. Keeping track of your blood sugar levels has never been easier or more convenient with Gluco Fence. With regular monitoring and proactive management, you're not just controlling your blood sugar levels, you're also adopting a healthier lifestyle. Always remember, health is in your hands.